Privileged access management allows organizations to identify, secure, and monitor accounts that have elevated privileges in order to minimize risk and ensure compliance. Examples of such accounts in an organization are elevated personal user accounts, shared privileged accounts, application accounts and service accounts, etc. Privileged access management is designed to answer 1. Who and what has access? 2. When was it used? 3. Where was it used from? 4. What was done? In this video, we'll focus on cloud privileged access for infrastructure service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. As organizations move critical assets into cloud, managing privileged access to these entities becomes a challenge. Let's take a look at what these challenges are. Admins or end users in an enterprise, when they require privileged access, there are 3 distinct interfaces to which the access is really needed: Web Console, Command Line Prompt, and the end workloads or the instances themselves. Natively, these infrastructure providers provide constructs like rules, policies, and keys. The way in which these constructs are used by organizations results in a lot of security gaps. Let's take a look at what these gaps and challenges are with managing privileged access with cloud infrastructure providers. Managing elevated access. The access provided by these constructs are static in nature, which means once a user gets privileged access, that access key is there forever until someone goes ahead and removes that access. The static access can result further into residual access, and this could result in situations leading to potential data breaches. Privileged activity correlation and tracking. Many enterprises cannot centrally monitor and control privileged sessions, exposing the business to security threats and compliance violations. Controlling super user access. Organizations often struggle to effectively control and audit super user access to business-critical systems, creating compliance risks and operational complexity. Addressing regulation. All industries face some level of governance and regulatory mandates that they need to adhere to. So now let's take a look at how Identric has assessed these challenges and what its feature sets look like. Centralized and policy-based privileged credentials. Automated privileged account credential rotation eliminates manual-intensive, time-consuming, and error-prone administrative tasks, safeguarding credentials used in cloud environments. Secure privileged access sessions. Monitoring and recording capabilities enable security teams to view privileged sessions in real time, automatically suspend and remotely terminate suspicious, and maintain a comprehensive, searchable audit trail of privileged user activity. Adaptive privileged access. Some of the features which Identric has defined in its privileged access management module is inherently elastic in nature. This means as users require access, it could be scaled up and down depending on the context with which it is being made for. User behavioral analytics. This is further augmented by Identric's unique machine learning algorithms and state-of-the-art big data technologies, like Elasticsearch, to do effective privileged activity monitoring. Secure DevOps pipeline. And lastly, infrastructure services are not used in a siloed manner for cloud privileged access. Rather, they are used with DevOps tools, which are privileged in nature. So Identric thereby integrates with such DevOps tools, including Chef, Puppet, etc., to do complete privileged access governance and monitoring of these tools. To summarize, as you can see, privileged access security in the cloud comes with its unique set of challenges and requires a very specialized solution, which Identric offers. If you have a similar set of privileged access management challenges, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for your time.